Number 1.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $6,500, having been driven only 79,000 miles. Known for its durability and straightforward design, this Ranger is equipped with a dependable 3.0-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, making it an excellent choice for drivers who prefer full control and a more engaging driving experience. The exterior is finished in a clean white color that maintains a professional and timeless appearance, while the interior features a gray color scheme that has been kept in tidy condition, reflecting its careful use over the years. Although the truck does not come with factory-installed air conditioning, it remains a practical and functional vehicle suited for a variety of needs. Adding to its utility, this Ranger includes a well-fitted bed cover that enhances cargo protection and overall versatility, making it suitable for both work and everyday use. The presence of a radio provides basic in-cabin entertainment, ensuring a comfortable driving environment.
Number 2.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $4,495, with 201,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It is equipped with a 2.5L four-cylinder gasoline engine and a 2WD drivetrain, making it a reliable choice for daily driving or light-duty work. The truck features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, along with cold air conditioning that still works well. It also comes with a 2-inch receiver hitch for towing and a set of good tires, adding to its overall usability and convenience. As expected for its age and mileage, there are a few areas that may need attention. The headliner is starting to deteriorate, and the truck may require some brake work in the near future. The oil pressure gauge works intermittently, and the soft tonneau cover is present but in rough condition. Despite these minor drawbacks, this Ford Ranger still represents a practical and affordable pickup option.
Number 3.
1983 Chevrolet C30, price $8,500, is a well-preserved classic that balances vintage charm with functional upgrades.
Showing 150,000 miles on the odometer, the truck remains a solid and presentable example of American engineering.
While it displays some expected signs of age, specifically some rust on the inner fender wells, the body remains structurally sound, and the overall aesthetic holds up well for a vehicle of its era. The driving experience is enhanced by several notable features that make it more than just a project truck. It is a factory AC-equipped model that runs and rides smoothly, supported by a set of newer tires for better road grip. Inside the cabin, the owner has installed new Classic Industries gauges,
which have seen only 800 miles of use since installation.
This C30 is also built for long-haul capability with its dual-fuel tank setup and offers modern conveniences rarely found in older work trucks, including power windows and power mirrors.
It stands as a reliable, highly presentable workhorse that is ready for the road. Number 4.
1985 Chevrolet K20, price $10,000, showing 92,000 miles on the odometer.
Matching brown-on-brown exterior and interior color scheme.
Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 small-block gasoline engine with a 397-0014 casting that runs strong without any ticks or knocks. The engine is equipped with headers and a brand-new water pump, ensuring it starts right up and provides a reliable driving experience through its smooth automatic transmission. The truck boasts a remarkably clean, rust-free body that remains very straight, save for a few minor dings consistent with its age. Its frame is equally impressive, remaining solid with only light surface rust, and the vehicle maintains a great stance on a set of good tires. The functional 4x4 system ensures it is as capable off-road as it is on the pavement. Inside, the cabin features a brown bench seat in good condition with no rips, and while the dash shows some typical age-related cracking, the interior remains clean overall for a vehicle from the mid-80s. While the speedometer and a few gauges require some attention for total accuracy, and the true mileage is unknown, this K20 stands as a well-maintained and honest example of a vintage Chevy square body.
Number 5. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, featuring a timeless black exterior finish that complements its well-kept gray interior. Under the hood, it is powered by the robust 5.7L Vortec gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, showing a relatively low 103,000 miles on the odometer for a vehicle of its vintage. While the exterior bodywork does show a few minor dents and dings consistent with its age, the truck maintains a very sharp and presentable appearance overall. In terms of performance and maintenance, the truck is road-ready thanks to the installation of newer tires and a fresh battery for consistent reliability. The cabin is equipped with power windows and professionally tinted glass, adding both convenience and a sleek look to the profile. It is worth noting that the air conditioning system is currently inoperable and the power locks require repair. However, these mechanical details do not detract from the truck's overall capability. It remains a solid, straightforward example of a classic Chevy workhorse that is built to handle daily tasks with ease. Number 6. 1984 Dodge D250, price $6,800, showing approximately 90,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission and powered by a dependable 5.2L 318 gasoline engine, which runs strong and delivers a reliable driving experience. The truck features an eye-catching red exterior that pairs nicely with its burgundy interior, giving it a timeless and distinctive look. Inside, the cabin remains in excellent condition, with the original fabric showing no rips or tears, only a few minor wear spots that are hardly noticeable for a vehicle of its age. This vehicle reflects consistent care and attention, as seen in both its mechanical performance and overall appearance. Rust is minimal, with only one small spot located on the rear fender, which does not detract significantly from its overall condition. Number 7. 1990 Ford F-150, price $8,600, with only 80,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with a powerful 5.0-liter V8 gasoline engine, delivering reliable performance. The truck comes in an off-white exterior with a clean blue interior, both in excellent condition. As a single-cab long-bed model, it offers practicality and classic styling. The body remains straight with original paint, reflecting careful ownership over the years. It is equipped with tinted windows, original rims, and large tires, giving it a lifted and commanding appearance. Additionally, the truck includes a fiberglass camper with large windows, adding versatility for travel or storage. With valid tags and a clean title in hand, this vehicle is ready for its next owner. Number 8. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, with 247,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a beige interior and runs on gasoline. The vehicle remains in solid condition, with a sturdy body and a V6 Vortec engine that runs strong. The air conditioning system is fully functional, and it has a brand new alternator installed. The tires have good tread, and an additional set of snow tires is included. Inside, the truck offers convenient features such as cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, and a radio that works, making it both practical and comfortable for everyday use. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has approximately 77,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior and runs on gasoline. As part of its key features, the truck is equipped with power windows and power locks, although the power locks are currently not functioning. Originally powered by a 305 engine with a TH350 transmission, it has been upgraded to a mild yet strong 355 engine paired with a Stage 1 700R4 transmission with Corvette servos, installed in April 2026 and backed by a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty. The engine setup includes a mild cam, short tube headers, Vortec heads, and an Edelbrock 1406 carburetor, offering improved performance and drivability. The interior is rated around 6/10, showing some wear but still functional, while the body is about 7/10 with rust-free cab corners, floorboards, and frame, though there is some rust in the bed behind the wheel wells. It also features a true dual exhaust system that provides a sporty yet controlled sound, along with LED headlights and side marker lights for better visibility and a modern touch. Number 10. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It has been driven for 202,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Equipped with a strong 5.7L V8 engine with no known issues, the truck performs well considering its age. It is a great option for work purposes, offering a long bed, extended cab, and a ball hitch mounted on the rear bumper, making it suitable for hauling and towing needs. Overall, it stands out as a dependable and capable truck that continues to run smoothly.